Hi, I'm Todd from MagTorch, and today I'm here to talk to you about our MagTorch multi-purpose 531 torch. This happens to be one of my favorite torches in our propane self-lighting family. I like it so much because it has a really robust flame and gives you lots of different utility uses of the torch. I'm going to go over a few features of the torch today and walk you through how to start it and the different features that it has. So again, here there's a lock button on the bottom so that the trigger is locked out. Need to switch that to an open position, so I'll just slide that over to an open position, and then it's a simple open the valve until you hear a light hiss of gas coming out, and then you just simply pull the trigger start. And again, you get that nice, large, robust flame. The other nice thing about this torch is that you can use it in a tilted fashion, and we're able to accomplish that not by the use of a traditional regulator, but we actually have a small preheater capillary tube that runs up through the valve. The gas flows up through the valve over into the tip, and you'll see here in a cutaway, we'll show you that it actually flows through the flame, which actually turns any liquefied petroleum gas into a vapor. That allows us to use this torch in a tilted use. So the great thing about this torch, like I mentioned, has that capillary tube that goes up through the valve and out through the burner tip. So when I ignite the flame, the torch is actually heating this preheating coil that leads in the very bottom of that tip right there. That allows us to use this torch in a tilted use without having a regulator. This is a great torch for doing soft solder work, thawing out frozen pipes, and I really like it if you got a really large stubborn bolt on a farm implement or something else around the house where you really need to throw down some heat on a rusty bolt to get it to loosen up. It's just a fabulous torch that produces that great flame. Be sure to visit us on magtorch.com for other features and benefits of our torches and any other information you have about our product line. Thank you and have a great day.